All right, let's take a look at the male anatomy of the salamander here. And first we're going to actually look at this one here that I just moderately dissected open to look at the falciform ligament. So if we look here, the liver is right there, and it's attached to the ventral abdominal wall by a sheet of connective tissue, and that's called the falciform ligament. All right, here's the large male, and you can tell from the outside because it has this cloacal gland present, and then you can actually get in here and find the testis. So the testis is this white structure here, and it's attached by a mesentery called the mesorchium. And as you can see, it's smaller than what we saw in the female, and it has that kind of creamy coloration to it and doesn't have the thing that looks like eggs. The convoluted tube here is its archinephric duct. And the kidney is hard to see, but there's a little line here in between the two structures that is the kidney. And it'll widen out a little bit more down posteriorly here. As for the rest of the intestines and whatnot, they're the same as what we saw in the female. We have the liver here. The liver has been kind of chewed up quite a bit. They're kind of delicate, especially in these kind of larval things. The gallbladder is actually showing up here, this kind of lighter structure here. This is the stomach leading to the pyloric sphincter and the duodenum. If you can find a gland within that attaches into the duodenum, let's see if we can actually get to it. We're not seeing it very well, but it looks like it there. That's the pancreas. What else do we have on our list? We're not going to see the common bile duct. We're not going to see lungs because this is a non-transformed salamander. Although maybe... Nope, I don't see it in here. All right, I believe... Oh, so with the stomach... the thing that attaches the stomach to the dorsal abdominal wall is the greater omentum. We're not seeing that very well here. There's part of it there. What else do we have? Gastrohepatic ligament is what attaches the liver and the stomach together, and it's up in that region. There you can see part of it. The spleen. I didn't find the spleen earlier on this. There it is. Right there, this brown structure, right there. And it's attached to the stomach by the gastrosplenic ligament. The mesentery. Mesentery is a general term for any connective tissue in the stomach, and it's also a specific term for the connective tissue that's in the loops of the small intestines. The mesorectum is what holds up the rectum. This one's actually full, so you can kind of see where that membrane is right there. And the hepatoduodenal ligament, that's gone, but that would have, oh, actually, that's part of it there. Actually, we can actually see the bile duct in here, the common bile duct, running inside of that hepatoduodenal ligament. All right, I believe that is all for the male.